Hi netizens, quick one, Math Magics by Andy Wonder. I have complementary angles and trig equation. So what this is just for you to recall the previous lesson we had about establishment of complementary angles with regards to trigonometric equation. So in this case, this is a question that is given. Solve sine into bracket 2 theta plus 10 degrees is equal to cos into bracket 3 theta minus 20 degrees. The very first thing that is required is to recall the previous establishment. If you can see sine theta being equated to cos whatever you have, then you need to recall that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, the first approach. You recall that sine theta is always what? Equal to cos 90 degrees minus what? Theta. If that is the case, this will enable us get a solution. Then the second approach is to relate it to what the question is right here. Then I will say sine into bracket this what? 2 theta plus 10 degrees will now be equal to cos 90 minus whatever you have here. So that becomes cos, let me use this bracket, then 90 degrees minus whatever you have right here. Since sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus this theta, so that means sine 2 theta plus 10 degrees will be cos 90 minus this 2 theta plus 10 degrees. That is what it implies. 2 theta plus 10 degrees. In that case, this will be substituted into the equation. Yes, if sine 2 theta plus 10 degrees is what you have here, definitely anywhere you see this, you call it this. So this becomes cos 90 degrees minus 2 theta plus 10 degrees. Then it will be equated to this cos 3 theta minus 20 degrees. What's your observation? You discover that we're having cos both sides, right? So we can actually cancel both sides. So in that case, we are having 90 degrees, then minus times 2 theta is what? Minus 2 theta. Minus times plus 10, of course, is what? Minus 10. Then degrees equal to 3 theta minus 20 degrees. You can see equation that has been gotten. So everybody is much conversant with this equation. In this case, I will have to add 2 theta to both sides, then add 20 to both sides. This becomes 90 degrees minus 10 degrees, then plus 20 degrees, which is equal to 3 theta, then plus 2 theta. 90 minus 10 is what? 80. 80 plus 20, we are getting 100. So we're having 100 degrees is equal to 5 theta. Then by cross multiplication, we have 5 theta to be equal to 100 degrees. So I'll divide both sides by coefficient of theta, which is 5 over 5 over 5. 5 cancels 5. So our theta will be equal to 100 divided by 5 is what? 20. So the value of theta in this equation becomes what? 20 degrees. Please like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.